Hey there, and welcome to Consult the Blind Guy. My name is Andrew, and today we're talking about setting up affiliate websites. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can stay updated on the latest videos, live streams, and more. If you're a member of the consulting crew, welcome back. I hope you enjoyed today's episode. Let's get to it. Hey there, welcome to this episode of Consult the Blind Guy. Today we're talking about affiliate websites. Now you've heard of affiliate marketing in a previous video a couple different times, but what is an affiliate website? Essentially, an affiliate website is you going out and getting a domain name on a particular niche or a product, and then using your affiliates on that website. We'll say, for instance, I'm an affiliate for Pat Flynn and his courses. So I could go out, buy a domain name on one of those particular courses, and then use all of my affiliate links associated to that course and set up a single page website for you to go through and read some information on and figure out whether or not that course may be right for you and buy directly from the website. In return, you will buy from Pat to be able to take that course, but in return, I get a commission off of that as an affiliate at no added cost to you, the person that takes the course. And that is essentially what an affiliate website is. We'll say, for instance, his course, Smart from Scratch. I could go out, buy a domain name on that particular course, and we'll say smartfromscratch.com, and give you all the information that you need on that course so you know what it is, how much it costs, and everything else. And then you go, hey, yeah, I'm interested in doing that course. You can click on that link, which is an affiliate link. You pay for that course, and then you get access to that course. And in return, I make a commission off of your purchase. It could range anywhere between a set rate, or it could be a percentage that you will make. Every different affiliate deal is different. Not one of them is exactly the same. You could even do affiliate websites for Amazon product. You could set up a website, we'll say, for instance, cheapestlivestreaminggear.com. You could then go on to Amazon, find the products that you believe are the cheapest and best solution for your customers, and then list all those different products on that website. And if somebody buys it, then you get a commission off of each of those items. So that is more or less what an affiliate website is. It's affiliate marketing, but done on your own domain rather than going here. Here's an affiliate link to go here to this website and find the information and buy it there. It's essentially making everything streamlined onto one website page where you do all of the affiliate marketing on it, and then in return get the commission from those sales. So I hope this was helpful for you. If you have any questions, by all means, please feel free to drop them down below in the comments. Let me know if you've had any success with this method of affiliate marketing with an affiliate website. It'd be great to hear what you've accomplished with it. Hope you have a great day or evening, depending on where you are in the world, and we'll see you in the next episode.